Hello guys, welcome to this video. This video is actually a beginner friendly video where I will be showing you how to use the ManoMotion SDK. So I will be using SDK Pro. So you can actually go to the ManoMotion website and you can go to products download. Then you can just click on it, get SDK Pro, and then you can open a new Unity project. So I'm using now Unity version 2021.3.18 F1 and I'm creating a new project here. Let's say NanoMotion friendly. Yep. So we can start now. So this will take a couple of minutes. So guys, now that we have created this new project, so currently this is on Windows platform. So let me just change the platform to Android. So we will be building the final build of this project. That is a basic scene, which is actually included in the ManoMotion SDK package that we will be soon importing. And for that, we have to change the platform to Android. So you select Android and you click on switch platform. Okay, so now we have changed actually the platform from Windows to Android. So we can now import the SDK package. You click on assets, then you import package, custom package, then you go to your downloads folder. Mine is actually in D drive. So I will just import the ManoMotion SDK Pro 1.4.9. So select all. It's already selected you, so you don't have to unselect anything. So you can just click on import. And this will take a couple of seconds, I guess. Yep, it's done. Now you can go to the ManoMotion folder and scenes. Yep. So you have here ManoMotion SDK Pro, double click to open it. So you won't be able to play now because the first thing that you have to do once you're here is click on this ManoMotion Manager game object and then you need to add the license here. Once you have done that, you can go to edit, then project settings. You have to change the package name also. Then you're good to go. So once you have added the license key here and added the bundle ID, you're good to go. So now we can take a build settings, then don't forget to add your scene actually in here. Then you can click on build. So the way I do it, I create a folder. I name it builds. Then this will be like a test build. So you can save it and this will take like some minutes or seconds, I guess. Our build is actually ready, so we can actually test it in our Android device. So this is our final Android build that I'm showing you right now. with all the trigger gestures enabled to show you, like grab, open hand gestures, pinch and drop gestures, and the gesture analysis option also enabled for better understanding of hand tracking. So let me know in the comment section if this video tutorial helped you to achieve your development journey. Thank you.